Decadent Cappuccino Brownies with Espresso Sauce recipe. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of indulgence with a recipe that combines the rich flavors of coffee with the irresistible goodness of brownies. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth with these decadent cappuccino brownies with espresso sauce. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of instant espresso powder. For the espresso sauce, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant espresso powder, pinch of salt. Instructions. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Then, in a mixing bowl, combine the flour, cocoa powder, instant espresso powder, baking powder, and salt. In a separate saucepan, melt the butter over low heat. Once melted, remove from heat and stir in the sugar until well combined. Now, add the butter mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until smooth. Next, beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 9 inch baking dish and spread it out evenly. Then, bake in the preheated oven for 20-25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the brownies are baking, let's make the espresso sauce. In a small saucepan, combine the heavy cream, butter, brown sugar, instant espresso powder, and a pinch of salt. Cook the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly, until the sugar has dissolved and the sauce has thickened slightly. Once the brownies are done baking, let them cool slightly before cutting them into squares. Then, drizzle the warm espresso sauce over the top. And there you have it, our indulgent cappuccino brownies with espresso sauce. These rich, fudgy treats are perfect for any coffee lover. Give them a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time in our kitchen. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The Adult Alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.